for codeine. Do you wanna lean? Pull up on the scene. Me might sing. It's the whole game.
What's poppin', you guys? Today's video is gonna be a 2019 sneaker collection. I'm coming to y'all from my bed. Usually I'm from my desk, but you know the vibes. So I have all my shoes behind me and over here and some on the floor. So I'm gonna start with the ones on the floor so it'll be easier for me to do the rest of them. These right here, I do not wear them. They're clean as they can be. These are Puma Suedes, and they just have like this like material on them. So yeah, I don't wear these. I probably should like sell them or something. I don't know, but I don't wear them at all. These right here are my beaters. Like literally, they're so beat. You can't even really tell on camera, which is probably good, but they're so beat. Like having these since I was in 8th grade. So I'm in 10th grade now. Yeah, they're really beat. I don't know if you guys care about sizes, but these are a women's 9.5. These run small, so yeah. And then these I think are men's, or they could be women's. Who knows? These are a women's 8.5. If you didn't watch my Christmas what I got for Christmas video, I'll link that down below as well, but I had these in that video. I've been wearing them a little bit. Every time I do something it get dark, but I've been wearing them a little bit. They aren't beat, which is good, but I did drop some sauce on them. Anyways though, this is how I wear my forces, with the laces like this. These are size boys 7. Also, these aren't sneakers, but I've been wearing them a lot and you guys are probably curious. I don't know. Also add me on Snapchat. I post like videos and stuff of me, so if you're wondering if I'm not on YouTube, I'm probably on Snapchat. So these are the fluffy yes slides from UGG. This is how they look on the bottom. This is like real sheepskin, like real sheepskin. There was a sticker on the back that said this is made from real sheepskin. That's just been colored and processed. So yeah, this is like it's a stretchy band, and then you see UGG down here. And I've been wearing these things like nobody's business. They're really comfortable. There is a little bit of like a little like wedge on it, but they're still super cute. Those are size 9. If you're gonna get those, I would advise you size up, because if you don't size up, you're gonna be looking retarded. These are my Air Max. Okay, yeah, these are my Air Max shoes. I will insert a picture of me like wearing them. But these are a size 7Y. These are men's. It's Nike Airs. I don't know like what type of Air Maxes they are. They're just Air Maxes, and I wear them a lot. They do give me a little bit of height, as you can see from this little like piece right here. But yeah, they're very cute. I really like the front of them, how it just says Nike right here. And then let's see that in the box. Next, I have a pair of Jordans, I hope. Yeah, okay, so sometimes I'll like put my shoes in different boxes. So yeah, this isn't the right shoe box, but these are Nike. These are actually Nike. These are not even Jordans. Anyways, these are also beat as well. These are my, ooh, what are they called? I don't think I have the box for these. I forgot what they're called though. They're just blue ones. I forgot what they're called. These are size 7.5 in men. This is how I lace them. These are pretty fire still. I still wear them. I really like ones, so I get me a nice little wear out of them. I hope these are the right shoes in here. Yeah, okay, so these are my flights. These are the Royal Game ones. Yeah, these are the Royal Game 4s. And this is how these look right here. I love these. People are like, oh, they're weak, oh, with you. Like, I love these so much. And these are size 7 in men. The next pair is some random box. I don't even know what this is. Oh, these are my black high top Air Force Ones. I wear these every once in a blue moon. These are 6.5 in men. And they look like they're kind of beat, although I've only worn them like 4 times and I had them since I was in 9th grade. So, oh, these right here are my Vans. I do not wear these anymore, but these are the Sky High men's. I think they're men's. Yes. They just look like this. I used to be in love with these shoes, but now they're just not really my thing. These are 7.5 in men. I'll still wear them like every once in a blue moon, but not as much as I wear like my my Air Max or my Uggs. I wear those a little bit too much, I'd say. The next shoes I think are my white Nikes. Yeah, so I used to wear these in gym and like with sweatpants and stuff like that. But these are the women's Nike Free Run 2017 shoes, and they're size 9. These are beat as well. They're super dirty, super beat. They're really cute on the foot though. Like they this part right here highlights when you put flash on. And yeah, I had to take the sole out because it was just, I couldn't even, like, it was kind of uncomfortable with the sole. The next box over here, these are Jordans that I haven't worn. They're called Air Jordan 5 Retro. Yeah, these are 7. They're really cute, but I just haven't worn them. I think I'm probably gonna pop them out when I wear like some white jeans, or maybe even like some black jeans, maybe. But they're really cute. I just haven't worn them yet. The next pair is also some Jordans. I haven't worn these either, but they are super duper cute. I think these are 5s as well. Yeah, these are the Air Jordan 5 Retro GGs. They have pink in the inside, which is so cute, like so super cute. Icy bottoms. I love a good icy bottom. And then they're so super cute, like I love them, but I just haven't worn them yet. These right here are another pair of Vans. These are the ones I had before the ones I already showed you guys. So these are just red. And when I tell you I used to wear these so much, like I used to wear them so much. If you saw me in 8th grade, you saw me with these on, no doubt. No doubt. The last pair of shoes I have are Air Force Ones again, but these are all red. I love these. I just don't wear them too often because, I don't know, I just don't wear them that often. They're super cute though. They have like this little like stripe thing going on, as well as in the front they have a whole bunch of stars in it, and like the front of it is like push, I don't know how you would explain, like it's squishy almost. Got a pair of shoes ordered to my house, so as I was saying before the doorbell rang, these are like different than the regular Air Force Ones. You can push the front and it's like softer. It's way extremely harder to crease. I don't even think you can crease these. So yeah. Okay, so this box is from Steve Madden. Struggling. Oh my god. Look at these guys. I keep on getting interrupted, but this is how they look. They're dope actually. I really like them. Even though this sole is like really big. Even though this sole is super big, it's okay because, you know, tall is okay. We're okay with tall. They're called, if you guys want to cop, they're called the Husky Steve Madden's, I believe. Yeah, and I got mine in a 9. So we're gonna try them on right now. Yeah, cause yeah. Okay, you guys, sorry this video is all over the place. I actually really like the boots. This is how they look on my foot. It's hard to like show, but they're really cute on the foot. They only make me like an inch and a half, maybe 2 inches taller, which is not too bad. I'm only 5'3". So yeah, I like them. Anyways though, hopefully you guys enjoyed this all over the place video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to add me on Snapchat. Bye.